other team from Babane, Manzini. Babane rep, please come. Thank you so much. Babo, good delegation from Build It with Football Association. Captain Lead. We introduce them. Bethule ngeligama labo msawa. Just now. The handshake. Khawula lona ke liqembu lasenhlangano led by the CEO. Nalo libandla labo Rafaela lebe lisibambele imidlalo kusukela ekuqaleni. Our finalist utawudlala khona inhlangano naManzini. Inhlangano ugqoke ijezi lelihlada kusukela eTulu kuya phasi bese Manzini ugqoke ijezi elibovu. Ngathi noma le Wanderers noma lani kwathi bona. Jika emva kwabo nize nibuyele niqhamuke khona. Nitimele lapha Manzini. Ningeme layinini Manzini. Asedolobheni sibafana baseBrema asesishayeni umkhuleko sibafana bemkhuleko nomthandazo. Kanti ngiphindze ngisho ukuthi le club legqoke lokuhlada ngiyo inhlangano negqoke lokubovu. Have time score.
enjoy, please subscribe.
Matapa, ukumbi saiko. yathengana 2 Hlangano 2 Hlangano Skota sinamandla Skota sinamandla 2 waphela umdlalo 2 Hlangano not Manzini Oshambeni balena Zebet
And because I'm a coach, sit down, even to that now, so that you can have a group photo as well. That's a jumela picture scene. You move my camera, macha. You go. Okay, let's have a group photo. These are the runners-up, Manzini. Let's celebrate their achievement. Hey, Manzini, don't go far away. Give them a round of applause. Clap hands for them. Abuse. Okay, the team must come again for a group photo. Okay, thank you very much, Manzini. Well. Okay, the player of the tournament now. The player of the tournament who's going to get the trophy plus the 10,000 Malangeni Basari is Wekosi Damini Kamano Cheza number 10. As the player of the tournament for the Build It Under 13 Football Development Program, the 2022-2023 edition, Wekosi Damini, 10,000 Malangeni Basari. Of course, the parents have been released. 10,000 Malangeni school fees, it's not there. But don't you cry. Player number 10, Wekosi Damini. It's not the first time we're having this. Even in the other edition, the bursary was there. It's education and football. Let's get hands up. This is the captain. Let's get up for them. They worked very well. They deserve it. They displayed their skills. This is the future of football in the country. We are looking forward to seeing them. National champions 2022-2023 edition is Sultano. For quite some time, Matapa was dominating. This time around, we have fun in the house. Congratulations.
Guys, we've just completed another amazing, absolutely amazing Eswatini national final. Obviously, you know, the start was at the beginning of the year and we've crowned Nhlangano as national champion. The good thing about it from a Build It point of view as well, we're all about building futures and, you know, 17 years into the program as well, we couldn't ask for anything better for the nation. You know, soccer is the sport of the nation and Build It as the leading brand in Southern Africa from a hardware point of view as well. We're pleased to invest in the passion of the people. Absolutely. I think, you know, it touches our client base. It touches our people. And I think for us as well, although we sell building material, we're in the people business. And if the people are basically impacted by our engagement, we've achieved our goal.
This is a long-term partnership, of course. We expect you to come back in the coming years?
Well, we've been here for 17 years, so we're going to conclude 2 decades before we even reconsider where we take it as well. And you know, the EFA has been an amazing part of this entire journey. Our retailers as well, and this wouldn't be possible without our retailers in Eswatini and the EFA as well. Because you know, this has been a seamless event for the whole day, but it's been seamless right from the beginning of the year as well. So.
Kwekuqala sitawuthi asibonge siyi-Football Association, sibonga abaka-Build It, ikakhulukati labangibona bahlanyela imali ukuthi sitowakha le midlalo. Siyathi sonke ukuthi bekuyi-edition yekuqala le, solo sagcina nga-2019, la sagcina khona nasimiswa ngumkhuhlane lobo ohlasela umhlaba. Siyajabula ukuthi Build It ungilethi nyethi ningapane letibuyile ikakhulukati na ukhuluma ngama-under 13. Siyathi ukuthi bahlanyela imali letiningi kakhulu njengoba nasibekisa ngeminyaka bafaka lokungenani imali lengetulu kwesigidi nencenyele ngamakhulu lamabili etinkulungwane 1.2 million kuze ukuthi badlalise lemidlalo. Sinhlangano yebhola ke siyajabula kakhulu ikakhulu kati njengoba lana ngiyona foundation la sakha khona labantwana kwekuqala nasakhela yona i-national team. Siyajabula nje ukuthi nale national team lekhona lekhona ecampini manje kunebadlali labathathu labasuke khona la lesethembawe ukuthi bonke nalaba lesibabona kona abatawukhethwa namuhla basetawucecetshwa kubele embili kuze ukuthi nanabo bagcine basezingeni lesetulu basite wona emacembu ethu elive la sesigabeni lesetulu ka Premier League baphinze basite nawo amacembu esive njengoba khona ngecembini lelikhulu seku tibongela nje kubaka-Build It, sibonge naso sonke sive lesende umsebenzi ukuthi ube impumelelo. Badali basikhule bantwana nabo bonke labasisingathile kulo msebenzi siyabonga.
Ngijabule kakhulu ngalokuthola le best player. Ngibona ngathi ngimake kakhulu. Sijabule kakhulu siyi-team.
Bathitheni bocoach nje bandlala ngoba banibambile first half. Bathitheni masenibuya second half la nikhona shot nemakhona amabili.
Bathithe kumele siye kakhulu forward. Yes.
Ngiphi team ofisa ukudlalela nje masomthatha?
Bulangwane.
Noma nganguphi la ufuna ukudlala khona?
Manchester City.
Ufisa ukudlala Manchester City?
Yes.
Phela kangwane?
Baba Swallows.
Kangwane ufuna ukudlala Baba Swallows?
Yes.
Alright, nakaphi umnyaka?
Na 13.
Kwekuqala lengakusho we are very much excited about the result. Kuyaqala kwendeka lokho eshiselweni. Umuntu nje ngicabanga ukuthi lama results ngathanza kuqala ngibonge i-executive lensha lengena enhlangano lehola ngiMr Zoro isupporte kakhulu. Kwesibili ngibuye ngibonge batali ngikusiboleka labamfana. Especially nyalo kulethi khathi letibhizi bebabhale my exams abantwana but ke they were coming in numbers in training. Siphindze siyakubonga lo. Bese ngibuya ngibonga the development coaches eshiselweni lokufaka ekhathi Mr Mbuso Mdluli na Mr Zitha lekungibona babe key ku developer most of labafana. Then phindze ngibuye ngibonga i-technical team yami lengisebenta nayo. Ngicabanga ukuthi collective effort ngeke ngibese ngichamuka ngiyabreaka ngithi hayi no vele ngiyasebenza. It's a collective effort and siyakhona ukuthi silalelane sihloniphane and ibhola eshiselweni inekusasa lelihle, especially once again I want to emphasize the support lesiyitholile kule executive lensha nakumphathi we-youth, chairman we-youth, then bese kuba ngishairman we-executive usupporte kakhulu, siyabonga.